Hello everyone. So we are going to discuss a question which involves a certain tricky concept of time, speed and distance, right? So here the question is in front of you. State buses run continuously between two cities A and B from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. such that every 30 minutes a bus leaves city A towards city B and another bus leaves city B towards A. So it would be somewhat like this. This is A and this is B. Uh, every bus starts from here and here simultaneously and reaches goes and goes and goes, and this one also goes and goes and goes and ultimately reaches A and B at the same time, right? A and B at the same time. So let's see what it further says. uh, all buses travel at a uniform speed u1. So Pranjan by his car started moving from A towards B at 2 p.m. at a speed of u2. He observed that every t1 minutes he crossed a bus coming in the opposite direction, and every t2 minutes he overtook a bus moving in the same direction. If u1 is to u2 equals to 2 is to 3, then t1 is to t2 we have to find, right? So we will approach this kind of question like this. See, first of all, we visualize the situation. What exactly is happening? So here is our city A, here is our city B, here is our person Pranjal. He starts from here, and every bus speed of every bus is let 2x kilometer, right? So every bus starts from here 2x kilometer per hour, and from here every bus also runs 2x kilometer per hour, and our Pranjal has speed of 3x kilometer per hour. Now see, now what we will find first is after how much time two buses, for suppose one bus starts, and after that how much time after second bus starts, right? Or in short, distance between any two buses moving in the same direction we will find, right? So I hope you understood what is T1 and what is T2. So it is saying I am explaining if T1 is that time at which he crosses a bus coming from opposite direction, and T2 is a is that particular time after which he overtakes a bus. This bus, suppose this bus is moving and he is also moving, so his speed is more, so he will overtake this bus, and that particular time he takes for overcoming this bus is T2, right? So T1 is the time when this figure this car overtakes a bus from opposite direction, and T2 is when this car overtakes this car which is moving in the same direction, right? So first we will find distance between any two buses moving in the same direction. So it will be given by, for that purpose we will have to find after how much time the first bus leaves, the second bus will start, right? So we have been given that time is 30 minutes or 0.5 hours into 2x, that is x kilometer. So distance between any two particular car will be x kilometer. Two particular bus. Suppose this bus starts from here and it goes x kilometer, then another bus will start, right? So this is important, this x. Now what we will find? We will find time interval between coming across two buses in opposite direction and same direction. That means, let me explain. Time interval between coming across two buses in the opposite direction. That means first we will find this was our pranjal moving at this direction in 3x. So he goes and interacts with the first bus that is coming from here, right? Let's suppose he does it after t minutes. So after he intersects after he interacts with this bus and further moves, after how much time he will meet this second bus that will be coming on his way, right? So this we have to find. And another thing that we have to find is after how much time he will suppose this is our person moving at 3x and he first interacts with this bus. Okay, let me rub this figure and explain again. So basically we have to find two things. This is our pranjal. He is moving at 3x kilometer per hour. This is one bus moving at 2x kilometer per hour, and this is opposite direction bus. Its speed is also 2x. Now we have found that distance between any two bus moving in the same direction is x kilometer, right? That means once this bus starts moving and goes to x kilometer, after that the second bus will start from the same direction. Similarly, the same applies for this direction also, right? This direction. So we have to find time interval between coming across two buses in opposite direction, right? For suppose this one meets this bus at this point. So after that it continues to move in this direction, and he meets with the second bus at this point. So we have to find this particular distance. This is first one, and second one is he keeps on going, and suppose he meets one bus which was moving in the same direction at this particular point. After that he continues traveling and again meets another bus in the same direction at this particular point. So we have to find distance between these two areas, right? So first let me write. Now how will we calculate the opposite direction time interval? So distance is x, as we have found out. Distance between any two buses moving in the same direction. So x will be the distance, and for opposite direction we are finding out. So both 3x and 2x will get added, right? 3x plus 2x, that is x by 5x, or 1 by 5. Now this, if you observe the question correctly, this is our T1 only. This is our T1. Now we will find out same direction. Time interval between coming across two buses in the same direction. Which will be our T2, right? We have to find T1 is to T2. So we will find T1 and T2 in terms of x. That will be x by 3x minus 2x, right? They are moving in the same direction, so their speed will get subtracted, and effective speed will be x by x, that is 1, that is T2. Hence T1 is to T2 equals to 1 by 5 by 1, that is 1 is to 5, right? So I hope I was able to explain it. If you have any doubt, you can comment below.